Welcome to NTSC SSC exam preparation presented by DV Zealand. Social Studies Bit Bank multiple choice questions. SAT 17th video. Class 10, Chapter 6. The Population, Part 2. Question number 1. The Census of India groups the working people into dash categories. Correct answer 4. Question number 2. Population is dynamic because of the interaction of the process of dash. Correct answer all the above. Births, deaths and migrations. Question number 3. In which year did the population of India decrease? Correct answer 1921. Question number 4. Which of the following is not correct about the population change of a particular period? Correct option. Number of immigrants is subtracted. Question number 5. Birth rate is the number of live births per dash persons in a year. Correct answer 1000. Question number 6. Dash epidemic of 1918 is estimated to have killed 15 million people. Correct answer influenza. Question number 7. From 1920 onwards and especially post independence, the impact of famines declined because of. Correct answer all the above. Famine relief and movement of grain, ration shops, active public voice in a democracy. Question number 8. The number of children that is probable to be born to a woman if she were to live to the end of her childbearing years and bear the children in accordance with current patterns is known as. Correct answer fertility rate. Question number 9. The number of children that couples wish to have is related to. Correct answer all the above. How many children survive? What social security people have? The preference for a male child in society. Question number 10. The fertility rate in India as per census 2011 is. Correct answer 2.7. Question number 11. The movement of people across the regions and territories is. Correct answer migration. Question number 12. This does not change the size of the population. Correct answer internal migration. Question number 13. Dash is calculated as the number of persons per unit area. Correct answer population density. Question number 14. The population density of India in the year 2011 was dash persons per square kilometer. Correct answer 382. Question number 15. The most densely populated state, 1102 persons per square kilometer area in India as per census 2011 is. Correct answer Bihar. Question number 16. The causes of several diseases have to be met with dash for a better healthcare. Correct answer all the above. Better sanitation, clean water and nutrition. Question number 17. The reason for Assam and the most of the peninsular states having moderate population densities is or are. Correct answer all the above. Hilly, dissected and rocky nature of the terrain, moderate to low rainfall, shallow and less fertile soils. Question number 18. The northern plains and Kerala in the south have dash population densities because of the flat plains with fertile soils and abundant rainfall. Correct answer high to very high. Question number 19. Which of the following epidemics has been controlled in India? Correct answer all the above. Cholera, plague and malaria. Question number 20. The least densely populated state, 17 persons per square kilometer in India as per census 2011 is. Correct answer Arunachal Pradesh. Thanks for watching. Let us meet with another video.